What is up, everybody? It is Sunday and we need to get some groceries. We need to meal prep. We need to do all the things we gotta do to make sure that we stay consistent throughout the week as far as nutrition goes. So come along with me. Let's go do it. Grab some groceries first, grab some coffee before that. It's Sunday. Watched church online last night because I stayed up till like 3 last night watching F1 because it was in Australia. If you're an F1 fan, that's awesome. I don't know where I was going with that, but yeah, come along. Let's do it. Let's meal prep. Let's get some groceries. That place is an absolute madhouse every Sunday, and now I am trapped in here by the carts being moved. So I gotta just sit here, I guess. It's nice. Got my chai tea, got my groceries, on to meal prep. Just like that, in a matter of like an hour, I have all my protein sorted for the week. At least it should cover the rest of the week. Salmon, done. Ground beef, done. Chicken, done. Steak, done. And I rearranged my room a little bit. And now got all the meal prep done. Now me and River are just gonna take a little nap if we can. Alright, it is now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. All I've eaten today is breakfast. I prepped a whole bunch of stuff for the week, but I really haven't been hungry. I think that chai tea kind of suppressed my appetite. We got all our laundry done, we got all the chores done, we're all set up for the week, so we're gonna go and burn some energy. It's our rest day, but I still like to get out and do some sort of activity. Could be as easy as walking the dog, which is what I'm gonna do on a little trail. If you like golfing, go golf. Golf courses here are not open yet, but this summer we'll be doing that for sure. It could be anything, you name it. Just a little bit of activity, even on your rest days, goes a long way. It's a little chillier than I thought it was going to be. I cannot wait for summer. We've got the golf course literally right there where that orange fence is. Then we got the river right there, and the other river right there. But yeah, I can't wait to go golfing, can't wait to go camping, can't wait to go fishing, can't wait for all this stuff, can't wait for the sun, you know. But yeah, I feel like this video's been nothing but me talking, so I'm sorry for that. Not very entertaining, but here we go. Alright, let's see how River tries to go across this. There's a little like jump you have to do up here, so let's go. Hey, what are you doing? Hey, you're gonna fall through. Let's go. Hey, there you go, buddy. Good boy. River spin. Good boy. Go here. 50 minutes and 2.2 miles later, we have burned 270 calories, which is not much. And we're headed back home. We are back home, about to watch the new episode of Reacher. And I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed with my medium rare cooked steak, so let's go. All right, on Monday, we started with a push day. Obviously started off with bench press after getting warmed up. I did a few warm-up movements, including push-ups just to get blood into the area and the joints all lubricated. I like to do similar to squats. I'll do a warm-up set and then I'll do 12, 10, 8, 6. I believe this was my last set of 6. I believe I had 225 on there. Then we moved into an incline press. Usually I would do this on a barbell, but it was taken and I did not feel like waiting, so I just went over to the machine, did that way, made sure it was slow and controlled. Make sure you're getting that stretch on the way down and then the squeeze at the top. This week is the start of my new split, which is going to be a push-pull legs instead of a chest and back, shoulders and arms and legs. Then we went into a tricep pushdown. When I'm doing tricep pushdowns, I really try and focus on the squeeze and then obviously not letting my elbows move too much. It's okay if they move a little bit every now and then if you're trying to go heavier in weight, but try and keep them in the same place if possible. And then I like to superset exercises whenever I can. If there's an ability to do that, if like the gym isn't too busy, I'll literally do 4 supersets of 8 exercises to get my workout done. And so I supersetted my tricep pushdowns with rear delt flies. A little bit sloppy in the form looking back at it, but since this is a push day, I'm just trying to hit those rear delts and make sure they're covered. Then we moved into what I like to call 21s or 24s, depending on how many reps you do. Pretty much you gotta do thumbs up lateral raises, then pinkies up lateral raises, and then neutral grip lateral raises. So you're hitting all 3 heads of the deltoid, and it really gives you a good burn on all of them, especially by the time you're doing the neutral grip lateral raises. As you can see, I was struggling a little bit here. I had to take a little breather and get into the neutral grip. And once again, to no one's surprise, I did a superset with that, with some tricep kickbacks seated. I've never done these before. Definitely could have done more weight. Also didn't want to injure myself. I do another tricep workout after this because I was like, this didn't really do much at that weight. So, but it did keep the heart rate up and some more calories that way. Then we moved into a dip machine, and I really like the dip machine because you can load up the weight and it holds you down pretty well, and you get to hit your triceps and your chest at the same time. So all in all, I think it's a great machine, and you should definitely add it to your workout if you have the ability to. Then we moved into our last chest exercise of the day, which was pec deck flies. I've got like a lingering right shoulder issue, so I did not want to do another pressing movement. I can still kind of feel it when I do the flies, but it's not as bad. So do this for like 3 sets of 12, I think it was, 12 or 15, I don't remember. But it's always good. Get that stretch and that squeeze. Final exercise of the Monday push day was some more tricep push downs. I love the tricep push down, especially with this like triangle grip. It's not like the ropes where you have to worry about keeping it stable. You just really get to load up the weight and push it down and feel that muscle.